Going live. All right. Hi, everyone.
Hello.
I'm Moose.
I'm Zach.
We're here in San Francisco, Porter Hill, Gamma HQ. We're doing our weekly live vibe coding stream. If you tuned in before, we were building a game together. But I guess before we do that, let's just introduce ourselves.
Sure.
Who are you, Zach?
I'm Zach. I'm the head of design / head of labs here at Gamma. So I've been thinking a lot about, you know, AI coding and vibe coding and new development practices, along with new products and new models. So it's been pretty interesting lately for me.
Cool. How long have you been with Gamma?
Since the very beginning of Gamma, so day one. So
When was that?
5 years ago, a little bit more than 5 years ago.
Wow.
I guess it'll be 6 years in September, so like 5.5.
Wow.
Yeah, pretty crazy.
Wow, nice, exciting. I'm Moose. I'm an engineer here on the workspace team. I've only been with Gamma for, it's coming up on a year.
Feels like longer.
Yeah, it feels like
Yeah.
longer. It's definitely startup time. So we've been building a game together. And this week what we want to do is kind of do it more multiplayer style, because we've just been using one computer, i.e. my computer, to do the development.
Yeah, I think last time it just felt like we both had ideas that we
And
could
then-
sort of simultaneously. And I don't think this kind of thing is done very often.
Yeah, where two people are like pair programming, but like both programming at the same time.
Right.
Yeah, so we want to do that. The question is, how do we do that? And also, like, not only can we edit at the same time, how can we run the agents at the same time? So we tried this editor called Zed. Let me actually pull that up here. So Zed is like something that has like a built-in like multiplayer mode. So you can see that Zach is here. It's like a little picture. So he could type. So this is like a collaborative editor, but like on my file system. The problem is that we ran into is that we can't both run cloud code or agent within Zed together. When I can talk cloud code pod, but Zach can't. So what we're gonna do instead is that we're just gonna do an old fashioned, which is he'll push the main, I'll pull from the main, I'll push the main. You know, we just gotta remember not to force push. Just pull and push.
Yeah.
And resolve. Claude is good at like merge conflicts, right? And maybe I guess this is actually a good place to start of like where we left off last time. Sort of like our ideas file. So maybe play around just to kind of refresh the memory of what we were doing.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if you're serving it. If I can.
I'll launch it. So I'm serving it now. And I think let me get my IP address for you.
I think that worked last time.
Yeah, that worked. I think it's like 17 something. Let me. I think you can find it here somewhere. I'm just gonna ask Claude. What's my local LAN IP? Ben, still know how to do anything anymore. Right. And the port is 434. Okay. And it's 4567. Okay. So my IP address is 10.10. 184.
I got it. 184.84.
Yeah.
And then what's
4567. Yeah.
Oh, we're in.
Okay, cool. All right. So yeah, we had this like my name. Yeah, we had this like real time multiplayer game where we're both like
Oh yeah,
landing
oh yeah,
rockets.
yeah.
Ah, I crashed. And every time you sort of go land on a landing pad, you get a little bit more fuel, and then you can like explore further and further away. And we were in sort of like shared universe together, which is kind of cool. And we had, whoa, I managed to refuel for once.
We're both there.
Yep, we both had more fuel, which is fun. So, okay, let me kind of read through some of the ideas. So we had like an idea for flight directors or something that in GUI that like guides you towards like being able to land. We also had this idea of um, like like a shop item system where like when you land somewhere you get points and some lands like some places are shops, some landing pads are shops where you can buy random items like maybe better engines or like I don't know like a parachute that's like a one-time
Fuel
save,
tank, yeah.
fuel tank,
Pretty
fuel
cool.
scoop. Collect fuel from near misses on pads. That's kind of cool. Another idea we had was like LLM joins a player in the game. Could we play against the LLM?
How about that? Yeah.
Also we said we want to do like live collaborative editing together,
Which we're trying.
We'll see how that goes. Yeah, and then we're gonna do simultaneously, so you can try some stuff and I can try some stuff, and we can see how we can merge it together.
Yeah.
And see how that goes. I can kind of like do like the flight director stuff, maybe. Or do you want to do the shop? I think maybe.
Do the shop. Okay.
Or we can switch.
I was
Or
thinking about
do you
this.
want to do something else?
Let's say because we sort of have to make sure we don't collide on each other, right? Collaborate each other.
Oh yeah,
I think
let's
what-
ask Claude this actually.
I actually think what we should do is like a refactor first.
Yes, great
Because
idea.
if we're all in one file, I think we're gonna basically like separate the concerns of this file.
Yes.
Make this as modular as possible.
Okay, great.
Which
And-
actually will help us.
And then when we're
Monitor.
pushing and pulling, we won't have merge conflicts.
Yeah.
That's really thoughtful. Like, I'm supposed to be the engineer and offering things like that, and you're like kind of like, how do we work better? Okay,
Better.
I'm gonna use Whisper Flow to ask Claude to do this. Okay, I want to refactor this code base so that I can very actively work on it simultaneously with my friend Zach. We're going to be pushing and pulling to main, developing different features. The two features that we want to implement are Zach is going to work on like a shop system where you get points and you can cash them into do upgrades, and then I kind of want to work on some like interface improvements like like a flight director type thing, and like potentially other things too, but like maybe suggest ways we can like improve code organization so we can like try a bunch of different things simultaneously without having a bunch of merge conflicts. All right. Good job, Whisper Flow.
Yeah, I wonder what it's gonna think, if it's gonna interpret that as I need to make more discrete files. Like if you were to just say something basic like just clean up and modularize this code versus being so verbose and saying like specifically I want to work in a multiplayer way in this thing.
Yes.
If it's gonna like
to minimize merge conflict. So
Yeah.
like maybe it'll come up with like 8 files by concern, constants, ship config, network render, tricks.
yeah,
Okay,
that's smart.
maybe a new components shop. Okay, cool. Okay, how do these components work? Because okay, nice. All right. Okay. So I think we should do this, and I'm gonna ask.
Yeah, I
you
think
to
fire it off, and now you're gonna have to push. I'm going to
pull. Yeah.
pull.
But once we do that, then we're home free. Okay. Let me make sure I'm on the latest Oh, why isn't
Hmm?
Opus fast? Okay, let's turn on fast because we're streaming. Yeah, go ahead and do this. Then commit and push. Okay, let's go ahead and do that and
I'm
update
just now getting the server to run locally. Okay.
MD.
Great. So I've got the server running now.
Okay,
locally.
cool.
So
And I
should
also
we-
asked it to update Cloud MD so that like you
great.
can like at least you can get your agent up and running on the context.
Yeah. So let me think about my feature here. So when you land, you have to go to a shop. But what's
It's too
what's
hard
the
to land
currency?
right now.
What's the currency?
Oh, you want to come up with a funny?
Well,
name?
I mean, right? You land and then it's like
What would it be currency?
moon bucks. How do you earn?
Moonbucks?
How do you earn?
But like,
moon bucks?
what's like in world currency? Like science points? Cause like it was
Research, lunar research.
Yeah,
Every time
in
you
Kerbal-
land, you
you-
collect.
research. That's how Kerbal Space Program works, by the way. If you
What
ever-
is it? What do they have?
It's mostly like you get credits too, but you also get like research points for doing like trickier things. I'm just gonna put this in auto mode. Ship config.
It is too hard to land right now.
Yeah, it is pretty hard to land. I think like
Is gravity too strong?
I think there's too little. I run out of fuel a lot. I think there should be more fuel by default.
Early game, I think you should be a lot easier.
Yeah. Okay, maybe. So, do you want to work on like rebalancing the early game, and I work on the interface? Before we do the shop, I think we should make the early game.
Yeah, I think that's right. I think this refactor is nice, and then
Cool.
do a little balancing.
Okay.
How's the refactor going?
Now writing page.tsx to import all of the extracted modules.
Nice. That's fast.
That seems like a good idea, right?
So what's the new structure here?
Let me ls app. So, it's probably under. So there's a components folder where there's like the lobby is a different component, the
Great.
gameplay is a different component. So you can create like new components, like
And I
maybe
think,
like a shop
I
is
think
like a
it'll
different
know that
component.
pattern too, which is good. I think it'll be able to just be like,
Yeah, I
I
see
see-
components.
I see
Yeah,
the- I see the
build
pattern.
passes. All right, let's see if I can. I'm just gonna restart. Well, I guess I won't. It'll probably try to. Oh, I'll start the dev server. Uh-oh,
ooh,
rendering is all broken.
refactor failed.
Yeah, browser skill to get rendering to look right. Yeah, it broke something. Is it that like restarting killed something? Alright. Oh. Okay, it killed my process and I was like, I'm just gonna restart it myself. Check the menu screen. The browser it's using is the Vercel Agent Browser CLI, BT Dubs.
Oh,
It's cool.
hmm.
It's not the built-in browser skill. It's Chromium into
So what, does it run locally?
yeah. It's an open source project, and it's just like a CLI. I think it's called Agent. No, it's called Browser. Or I think it's called Agent-Browser. Yeah. So I think ls. Agent Browser. How do
And
I-
they can play the game?
I don't know if I can like fully play the game, but I can see that
Is
the
it
home
aware,
page.
it's aware that a game is happening?
Yeah, well, it managed to fix that somehow.
Huh.
So I don't know how it did that. Yeah. Lobby looks great. Oh, it had to import the components into TSX context. Use Tailwind content fast. That's what fixed it. All right. Commit and push. Now you should be able to pull and work on your part of
Great.
the world. Okay.
I see all the new stuff. Cool.
Um,
And we're just all gonna be working off of main, I assume.
yeah, we're just gonna be working off of main. So just a quick time check. We got 20 minutes.
Yep.
Do you want to save the last 5 minutes for kind of debrief?
Sure. I think
And-
we can do this in 15 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah. So you're gonna work on balance. I'll work on
I think balance first, and then the shop piece.
yeah. Maybe we
Okay.
can get both of those things done if you're working simultaneously. And the HUD.
The HUD.
Yeah.
Well, do you buy the HUD in the shop?
I think yes.
You can. I think you could make it, and then I can
We
make
can-
the shop, and then
we can make
you can
it
like refine it.
yes.
And then I think once we merge everything,
And then we can make
we
the
can make it part of the shop.
okay, cool. So when I build it, I'll specifically be like, make sure it's something that
It's modular.
is modular and
totally,
purchasable.
Totally. Yeah.
Cool. Okay. All right. I'm kind of really excited how this is gonna go because
All
right. Cool. I want to build. All right. Will it be really distracting to you if I use
No, you're fine.
Whisperflow? Okay.
As long as we're not both doing it at the same time.
Yes. Right. This is the problem with voice.
Mhm.
I want to build a flight director style HUD that kind of shows me guidance on which control inputs to use, and maybe to sort of like land in a particular landing direction. So maybe like once I'm pointing in the right way, it guides me towards just timing my like suicide burn, so to speak. The other thing is that eventually, once we put in a shop system, this HUD will be purchasable. So like, first make it to be always on, just so I can test it, see how it feels. But it should be easy to sort of put the game in a state where a player has an access to it or not. Okay. And while that's oh, it says no players. Oh, I think that must be a bug.
I'm not in it, but
Well, I should be able to play by myself usually, right? Okay.
did you fix this issue?
I thought I did. Wait, did I not? Oh, maybe yeah.
No, push on.
Can you restart your dev server?
Yeah.
Because it was a Tailwind thing, so it might just require a full restart too. Almost done thinking with medium effort.
So close. Okay. Let's see if this fixes that issue. No, mine's still white.
It's still right?
Right? Let's see.
Did you do bun run dev?
Where's the terminal? Yeah. Let me see here. This is student terminal.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And what if you try 127?
I think I have it all.
It should be fine. Can you open up your network tab? See what's up. Fail to resource home. That there. And let's see. Oh wait.
Hmm?
Oh
Push.
well, these are I did. Well, I'm just gonna push again just to make sure.
Okay.
Everything up to date. I mean, there's like changes in. I can't actually find the change that it made.
You just push?
I didn't push again.
Last thing I see is add component slash.
Yeah, that's the thing that should fix it.
I'm just saying, if we're all in the same environment.
Then this would not be an issue.
Hmm.
Would it be? Yeah, it wouldn't be because it just would be only running on my computer, and then this wouldn't be an issue.
Right. Okay, so something we've learned here, I think, is that environment setups and
Is annoying.
That's annoying. If you have
Multiple environments.
trying to do multiplayer.
And yeah, and if we both have separate environments, yours is broken, mine is not. We know this from developer environments. That's like they get broken a lot.
They get broken a lot. Yes, they do.
Okay, I'm kind of curious what it landed on here. Let's see if it can start the game. So it's supposed to have like a flight director here. Oh,
Oh, there it is.
oh,
But it's not an arc, though. It's more like pointing where to go,
it's just showing target.
right? I think what you want is let's find the closest. You wouldn't do whisper flow?
Yeah,
Okay. So actually, I think the flight director should work like this. From the player's position, first find the closest landing pad. Then, given the position, velocity, direction, and other vectors of the player's position in relation to the pad, draw like the ideal flight path,
oh,
right? As like an arc or whatever.
yeah,
And then color in the path based on their thrust so that they can time the landing perfectly.
oh my god, nice.
That would be cool, right? Because it'll be like an arc shooting out. And theoretically, all you have to do is like get on glide
And as you
slope.
get really good at it, you're just like,
You
you just like, this is in a racing game. There's like, you know how it shows you the
Right.
racing line. That's yeah. Yes, I'm really jazzed about this.
That's cool. That was my vision, like in my head.
I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't this.
I imagine like a glide path almost, like
Yeah,
showing where you like because you're not gonna have it all the time. It's gonna be a special power up, so it can be like, what's the most helpful thing, but still requires you to kind of can fly it.
yes,
You know what I mean?
yeah. You
So
still have to
it's
control it,
autopilot.
and it's like, and the really tricky thing when I'm like playing with it right now is that like it's like showing me like you gotta go that way, but to go that way I gotta first turn to the side.
But see, you need this tuning that I'm working on,
Yeah, I do need the tuning. I need the tuning.
but I can't tune it if.
But if you ask Cloud Code to fix local, can it do it?
Sure. What am I gonna say?
It when
When I
I
pulled. So.
when I pulled and ran the server, it looks like the background is white, even though it should be black. So yeah, it's kind of weird that like I'm curious that it's broken for you, but not for me. Did you do bun install? Could that be an issue?
I did not do fun
Let's just do that just to be safe. Could be like a
In the moon directory?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you
No
could
changes.
yeah no changes. So you're already good.
Unrun
Calling
dev.
browser 4 times. All right. It's not looking at it.
Oh.
Testing it. Do. Ran out of fuel again.
Do you see the line?
No, it's not done yet. All right. Oh, cool. Nice. It says it's rendering beautifully. I'm excited to see.
It's rendering beautifully.
Oh my goodness!
Oh,
Nice.
oh, yeah, okay. See, that's what you have to follow that
Oh,
line.
that's the.
Interesting.
Whoa.
What a weird. Okay, so
How am I supposed to do that?
right, so you just follow the line. Oh, see now I think the turning
It
is.
looks
like,
cool.
Oh.
Ah.
It's kind of tricky, because the line is like so you go way up.
Okay. But what did the
It's like if you follow the line perfectly, theoretically, right? Because the line's gonna be sometimes above you and sometimes below you, right?
Why is it above me though?
Because it wants you to go up, I guess. Because it's computing the path, right?
Yeah.
So sometimes you have to go up, which means just fire your thrusters.
Yeah. But let's ask this question.
It feels like it should just be a downward slope, though.
Yeah.
Well,
Why is the line sometimes pointing up?
yeah, it kind of doesn't make sense.
Oh, cyan dashes are for coasting. Follow the line, thrust when it turns orange.
What if we added a special feature here, like
Slow down.
10 times slow for like development?
Yeah.
Like slow the entire
or just like a
simulation
lot
down.
more. Yeah. Or invincibility mode, so
Yeah.
I can like keep trying. Once a drops
Well,
below
it
half.
didn't answer the question, though, did it?
I don't know. It's like I think what it was saying.
Yeah, that feels more right. That's easier. So what did it change?
It's like
It's kind of crazy.
ooh. Wow, the sideways thrust is just
Once you rotate, it's just all bets are off.
you just gotta rotate just a little bit.
Because it's so hard to get back on. Is it helpful? Do you feel like it's helpful?
Somehow I was able to do it better. I'm not sure. Do you want to try? You can like just go to my
Yeah, let me try it.
yeah
I think it's still 0, is that?
yeah
Or 10 dot.
yeah 10 dot. Oh, there's pilot GUB2SW.
Oh. Okay, this is different.
Right.
Oh, maybe something else.
It's like I just need to know when and how much to press left and right. I need to know when and how much to press left and right. I think the input should make that clear.
And up. And thrust.
And thrust. Thrust is not so bad. It's because the thrust is like it's almost like turns green when like
I can't quite figure this out.
it's like it's almost like it's telling you it should tell you to go left and right, and then once you're pointing in the right direction, asks you to thrust. It seems that it should first get you to point in the right direction and only then instruct you to thrust.
And what's the X? Is the X like where it thinks you're gonna land right now?
Well, X. If it's X, that means you're gonna die.
Oh.
Or maybe that's where you no X is like okay X is like expect like a projected place of like
Given your current trajectory.
given your current trajectory, that's where you're gonna make contact with the ground. Just the way the line dances is pretty cool.
It's cool, but I don't think it's as helpful as
As I
expecting
thought.
it to be. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm. Maybe what you really need is maybe there's like a time. Wait, that's not really gonna work. Not multiplayer, because the time has to go real time for you
Yes.
in the game, so I can't do time slowdown.
You can do time slowdown for everyone.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
But also, but
we can do like, can you slow down time so that the game is a lot easier to play?
yeah,
And let's do that too.
maybe that's the optimization. Maybe it's just like as you get further in the game, time just speeds up. You know, but that maybe that's the tuning
Okay.
kind of variable, right? Early game, it's just
It
a
didn't
lot
like it's like
slower.
Tetris style.
Exactly. Early game, we just like you take your time. You can get all the controls just right, and then each time you land, maybe it just gets a little bit.
Time scale. Oh, cool. It's adding a time scale variable, and then I can like adjust that. Cool. And I think we need to get rid of that like countdown for when you're starting the game. You should just start right away.
Yeah, probably.
But I want to try this now.
What did it set the time multiplier to right now?
I don't know. Let's see. Time scale is just 1. I bet it's gonna like
Helpful.
yeah. I'll just lower that sometimes. In the lobby, get rid of the 3-second countdown.
Yeah, let's see what the time scale is right now. Oh wait, no, it did slow it down.
Oh, nice.
Okay. I have no. Yeah, going this slow, you really can see how confusing this thing is.
Oh, okay, cool. Alright, so it's like, nice. Oh, I think I'm getting it. Alright, so it's like, now do this, now do this. Oh,
Right, but it's just the game is so fast.
yeah, it needs to be. Make it even slower. Did I first get rid of the 3-second countdown at the beginning? Okay, cool. Already did that. Okay, make it even slower. All right, we're almost out of time, but I wanna. Now I'm like, man, we gotta start this earlier so we can make more progress.
It's fun.
I made it even slower now.
Okay.
I'm like, wow. Okay, cool.
Oh, I feel like I'm really in space now. Interesting.
I think I'm able. Alright, so this is point this way.
So basically, if you keep the rocket on basically the rocket end pointed towards the X, that's kind of all you need to do. That's what you need to do. So you just basically keep the rocket pointed on the dotted lines.
Oh, that's what you're supposed to do?
I think so.
Ah, but
Oh no! On the dotted lines, right?
but if I put it on the dotted line,
But you have to thrust when it asks you to.
oh, but don't I need to turn
So
first?
red,
So this
red
is
is
like,
thrust, right?
so this is saying like, don't do anything, don't do anything, don't. All
That's
right,
red
now
thrust. Yep.
thrust.
Okay, now add some angular momentum to this, or
Like this.
yeah. Now see, I think what you want to do,
It's like,
rotate yourself.
see, it's like, so it's like now it's like go like this. Oh, why is it telling me to go like that?
Point your rocket nozzle on the lines. There you go.
Like that?
Yep. But keep it on the lines. See? Oh.
Ah. Okay.
I think that's what you want to do.
Yes. I mean, at least it should. Okay. Well,
Maybe it
we
should
want
help
it
you.
to
Maybe
work
it should
out.
help you know that. I don't know.
Well, well, it should definitely work that way because sometimes I like notice. Okay, this is easy. This part is easy, but if I like go here, of course it's like saying like reverse because you can change direction. Oh yeah, it's like saying like okay, slow down. Shouldn't it tell me to do this? Yeah.
But now it's only going to go the opposite way. No, that's right. That's right.
Okay. That, but it was like
Mm.
it should. It's not doing what it should.
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think that's quite right.
But okay,
It's trial and error here on this one.
trial and error. The flight director is not super satisfying.
I did not get the up inverted line. It's like, what? It's got to be like, tell me what to do just with the controls, I think. You think maybe you're right.
It was kind of doing that, but I wasn't able to react to it fast enough.
Right.
That was kind of cool though. Like, see how it like kind of. It's like this is like. Hit left until the box is empty.
Oh,
So it's kind of like doing a little bit of that.
it's really trying to help you.
Yeah. And then hit right until the box is empty. Yeah.
Hmm.
I think it needs like a true like solver or like something that like solves the path first and then
But
kinda guides you to it.
it needs to constantly be solving, right?
Yeah. Maybe we need to get maybe we need to get it to build a bot that can land. And then if it can't do that, then it can tell us what the bot would do.
Next time you wanna build a convoluted neural network, have these things land themselves.
Yeah, I want these things to land themselves. I don't think we even need a neural network, but we could if you want to.
I don't know. I mean, that'd be weird. That'd be a weird project to put into this thing.
I think we should get the multiplayer thing working.
Yeah,
I really want to see that happen.
like AI agents.
Yeah, I don't know if you just have like a SSH box that we SSH into both, that we're running the game on or something, and we both have cloud code that we can type
Maybe
into.
that's what we need. Yeah.
We need some way where we can both try things at the same time. I think that's still like the goal.
Yeah. If we're gonna do our traditional rosebud thorn
Yes.
to wrap things up, I would say. I actually think the rose here is sort of the iteration, the problem solving that we were all doing together on the flight director, but then definitely my thorn is this multiplayer stuff where, I mean, I checked out the code, it had one problem, I just never even
Got
fixed
right.
it,
Yeah.
'cause it's just like, what's the point?
Yeah. Exactly.
There's so much overhead to like pulling and pushing and
Yeah.
committing, and
We want to be multiplayer.
I'm like instantly out of date, you know?
Yeah. We just want to be in the same environment.
Yeah.
And it's like so cool, like the fact when we were in Z together, it was so close.
We were so close.
It's just like, yeah,
What's up with that?
yeah.
There's
Maybe
probably
it's
another IDE that does it. I know
this
VS
gotta.
Code.
Well, I mean, it's like that's Zed's whole value prop, right? So it should work. Okay, my rosebud and thorn. Um, I really like seeing the flight director's path kind of like curve around. There's something so satisfying about that.
Yeah.
The bud, yeah, I like seeing us together and like that's just definitely like lights up like something like people expect this with like Google Docs and stuff all the time.
Mhm.
Like so we should be able to do the same thing with a coding environment.
I just don't know why the agent stuff didn't work.
Yeah, someone's clearly working on this. Thorn, yeah. When your environment was broken, but mine wasn't.
I think
That sucks.
I think we can. I don't know. We'll figure something out. Maybe we need like a remote server. We both SSH in. We both just cloud code.
Yeah, I think that's what we do. It's not that hard to do. We can just get like an EC2 box. We could like do like Devin, but like Devin wouldn't give us like
No, because Devin's so slow.
yeah.
It's like Devin like.
We need the
landing,
SSH box. Yeah, we need the SSH box that's got like bun install and just run it. You know.
Can agents do like remote hardware configure? Yeah, they can do that, right?
No, yeah,
Fire it up.
or it's not like it's very easily.
Okay, so maybe next week we have Cloud Code set us up a box somewhere,
Yeah,
EC2, whatever.
pull the code.
Pull the code. Like I think we can do that
Cool.
all in one prompt.
Okay, cool. All right, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna say this. Okay, next time what we want to do is set up a EC2 box, run the code on there, and then we both SSH in and run cloud code on our own.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, another bug I think was the modularization. I think that was good.
Yeah,
Setting us up for it. But it's also
That's a good
it's
idea.
also a good hygiene too. I think just going forward with
yeah.
the code base. So
Cool. Let me save that for next time. Collab setup. Put it on there. The project memory. Okay. No, that's good. That's good. Good stuff. All right. Commit and push. All right.
that was fun.
That was fun. It's like goes by so fast.
It does. Yeah.
But really enjoyed this time with you, Zach.
Me too. As usual.
Thank you for doing this with me.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Until next time.